the real problem isn't the products. You're not just holding onto products or onto bottles and jars. You are holding onto hope. You wanted that gel to finally give you hold without flakes. You wanted that conditioner to melt the tangles away, the leave-in, to keep your hair hydrated and supple for 7 straight days. You wanted that shampoo to bring your strands back to life. And when they didn't, you didn't throw them out, you kept them. Just in case. So first, let's be kind to ourselves. You weren't being wasteful. You were trying to solve a real problem that you had. Now let's move forward with clarity. Before you even touch your shelf, you need to know what you are building towards. Here's your grounding question. What 1 or 2 styles am I wearing for the next 2 to 3 months? Is it flat twist? Is it a bun? A braid out? Is it a stretch style that requires a blow dryer? Your answer will decide which products stay on your active shelf and which ones go on pause. And of course your style can cycle into many styles, right? So when I say 1 to 2 styles, what I mean is a set of braids can become braid outs, and that can then become a bun or a puff. The main style is braids or twists, but the cycle is whatever you make it to be. So take 30 minutes to choose your 1 or 2 signature styles for this season and commit to that one style, a style that fits your energy weekly, a style that can last for days without retouching, with no new learning curve. We cannot keep learning and learning and learning. A style you already know how to execute and you enjoy wearing. Once you know that, everything else becomes easier. Now, all of that in place, we can tackle the shelf. You're going to sort every single product you own into 4 boxes. Box number 1, your active products. These are products that directly support your current system. So, the basics: 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner or deep conditioner, 3 stylers depending on what your style of choice is. Maybe 2 stylers for another second style, right? So that you have 2 styles that then can have their own style cycles each. Put these on the shelf, eye level, easy. That's the end of story. Box 2. These are products that aren't needed for your routine right now, but they work. Maybe that co-wash worked when you used to co-wash your hair several times through the week. Maybe when you were more active. Maybe when it was a lot drier. We're keeping 3 to 4 products in a labeled box under the sink or somewhere that we can easily reach and revisit. We are revisiting only when our style changes, and we never add back more than 1 product into this box at a time. Box 3, product fails. These are products that did not work for you. No shame. They just didn't work, but they might work for someone else, you see. So you've got 3 options here. Number 1, we can donate to a women's shelter or a hair community group. We can host a swap with friends or with our siblings or with a local hair group. And number 3, we can use in non-hair ways. For example, that cold cream might very well be the best body moisturizer you've ever bought. That aloe spray can freshen your pillowcases. That shampoo can wash your makeup brushes or your combs and your brushes, and the list goes on. However, whatever you can't use, let them go. Box 4 would be your expired or damaged products. Does the product smell off? Has the texture changed since you bought it? Has it been open for more than 3+ years? Right? You've got the permission to let these go. So we've got our 4 boxes. Now to keeping our system working forever. Write these down on a sticky note and stick them inside your bathroom cabinet door. My hair product rules. 1. Only buy when something runs out. 2. Only buy what serves my current routine. 3. Trial 1 product at a time. 4. No unnecessary backups. We don't need them. 5. Restock days equals maybe 3 times a year or 4 times a year. That's it. Structure builds peace, and peace is our new goal. Now, I hear the questions and I get you, but what if I want to try something new? You can. You absolutely can. Just schedule it. Pick 1 product and test it for 4 weeks, for 6 weeks, for 8 weeks, and compare it directly to what you are currently using. Then make a decision on what you want moving forward. Oh, but I feel guilty letting go of things that are already paid for. Look, you've learned from them already. That's the value. You now know that this doesn't work. It is a dead end. And that knowledge has saved you so much money, so much time down the line. And oh, but I want to get my money's worth. Great. Set 1 bottle aside and use it. Use it for your body, your scalp massage, or a conditioner that's not the greatest conditioner. It can be a pre-poo, but don't let 14 half-used bottles block your peace and confuse you every wash day because you don't know what products to use. Now, picture this. You open your cabinet and see 5 beautiful trusted products. You already know what your hair is wearing because you've decided what your hair is wearing. You are not guessing. You're not digging through products. You know exactly what you're using. You're just getting it done while enjoying your hair and getting on with your day. That kind of peace, that's what we're building towards. If you want in-depth help building your routine step by step, get my free 7-day email course below. It will walk you through everything from product categories to planning your style and to scheduling your wash day, your actual wash day. You don't need more tutorials. You don't need more products. What you need is a plan. The link is in the description box below. And watch this video here on the ins and outs of picking a signature style for your current season. Have a wonderful day. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.